Hey, their next video is going to show you how to create motion paths so you can basically do a little bit of animation and move things across the screen. Here we go. Okay, so I've already brought a ball onto my timeline, and the first thing I want to do is get rid of the white. So in my effects, I'm starting with shape mask, and I'm going to bring shape mask onto the clip and create this thing. The first thing I want to do when I click on my ball is change that curvature. And then what I want to do is I want to, under radius, take the X value and condense it so it's right on the ball that way. And if you notice, the edges are still kind of fuzzy. So what I want to do under feather is remove that so the ball ends up looking very solid. Now it looks like a solid ball and no white around it. So the first thing I'm going to do now is start creating motion paths. So if I click on here, I get my red line as close to the beginning as I can using the arrow key on my keyboard. And under transform, I make my first diamond here and I create a keyframe. And then I can move over using my arrow key again, make another keyframe. And then I can move over again and make another keyframe. I can make as many of these as I want, have as many points of animation as I choose. I'm going to go all the way to the end now, that last time you see it, and create one more keyframe. Next to the keyframe symbol here in the middle, I can use the arrows to get back to a previous keyframe. So I can go from that one to the beginning, to the second one, to the third one, to the last one. I want to go back to this third one, and what I'm going to do from there, go back to the last one, and this one I'm going to grab the ball and bring it off screen. Okay? So if you look and watch your video, for the first part of this video, the ball's still, and then it moves off screen. Now, realistically, a ball wouldn't move like that. A ball would roll. So in this very last frame, I'm going to grab the little handle and I'm going to spin it around twice. And you can see down here that it's got that number. So if I spin it all the way around a second time, I'll get to about 720 degrees, which is 360 times 2 full rotations. So you can see the ball is going to roll now when I play the video. So there it is. It's still, and then it rolls off the screen. If I wanted to, I could change this. If I go to that last frame, I could take this thing. It doesn't have to leave the screen. I could put it back on the screen, let's say, and make it really small. And maybe move it to the corner here. And now if you watch what will happen, it's sitting on screen, and then it looks like it rolls away. These are all options for things that you can do with motion paths. It really depends, again, on what you want to do with it. Hopefully this helps teach you a little bit about motion paths and keyframing. Talk to you soon.